all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Survi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Lodha Group. I would like to introduce Mr. Sachin Bansal, Vice President Sales, and Mr. Vivek Nair, Associate Vice President. Welcome, sir. From PropTiger, we are joined by Mr. Nitin Gautam, Regional Head. Now, Lodha Group is a well-known brand in Indian property market, recognized for creating some of the best residential and commercial landmarks across the country. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Lodha and Mr. Gautam to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Starting with Mr. Gautam.
Good afternoon, everybody. So PropTiger was established in year 2011. Its parent company is Elara Technologies, which also owns Housing.com and Makaan.com. From 2011 to 2020, PropTiger has helped more than 25,000 odd customers in their journey of selecting a home and going ahead with their decision to purchase the same. We also assist the clients in the home loan process. We have a team of dedicated relationship managers who guide and support the clients on every single step of their journey. And we do all of this without any cost to our clients.
Thank you, Mr. Gautam. Mr. Nair.
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Vivek Nair, and I work with Lodha Group as the Associate Vice President, and I head the channel sales for Thane market. So today we'll be showcasing you some projects that we have for you in the Thane market. Thank you so much.
Before we proceed, let me show you why Lodha Hamara continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
Hi, I'm Ashish. I work with Accenture, designated as Vice President Operations.
My name is Krishna. I work with LinkedIn as a Global Account Manager.
My name is Sujana. I'm a French professor.
I'm from Northeast Assam, Guwahati. I work for a corporate bank as an Assistant Vice President in Human Resource.
Hi, myself Akash Bhardwaj. I'm working as a banker. I work for Union Bank of India. Location is quite well connected. It's very near to the highway, so like moving around is faster. The main thing which I feel is it's quite greener, quite open space. So whenever you come out of your home or you are on a break, you are not in office, it's quite relaxing, you can breathe fresh.
When I visited for the first time in Amara, I felt like being in a resort.
Initially, it was our apprehension that how Mumbai would be and how we will be able to gel with people. But it was welcoming that the first day itself we saw our neighbor very nicely inviting us. So that's something which really gave us a warm welcome.
I love each and everything about this place. Right from the moment my car enters the Amara premise and when I walk to my wing. So there are kids playing in the pool at the pavilion. So the whole feel to it is very nice.
Quite safe, like you have all the securities available. They issue gate passes whenever someone visits. You get a email notification. So it's quite safe.
I love to sit here in the clubhouse area, the open area where you have sit out. That is something looks good to sit and discuss if you wanted to meet some friend there or work on your any assignment of the office.
I wanted a place, a peaceful, nice place to deliver my baby. So I have a 6-month-old baby now, and I think it's the best place where I can raise my child.
Amenities which is gym, or even the forest area which recently opened up, which my son is just loving it and he's just insistent that he should be going there every second day.
One of the amenities which I like personally is the theatre. Last weekend we have seen 2 movies and tomorrow we are planning to watch Kesari, right?
Yeah. I can see that there's a lot of space for the kids to grow up, lots of greenery, the parks and everything. It's also for my parents also, they also love the place. We are from Northeast, we like mountain trees. So this is the place, very peaceful. Once you come back from the long tiring day, you want to come back home.
It was a very happy sight when I discovered a good bunch of enthusiastic folks playing on that enclosed box with a very well laid out cricket pitch. So that was around the time the IPL season was there as well, and pretty recently Amara concluded its own Premier League. So that's really has been a fantastic experience.
I run across, so the entire periphery is mine. So I definitely run. So in nook and corner of the community, I run and explore places, and then definitely I use gym.
The most amenities we use is swimming pool and especially badminton court. We love it.
I must say, this place offers more than what I had expected.
Satisfying.
Overwhelming.
It's very peaceful.
Close to nature. In one word, it's superb.
Nirvana, a perfect definition of home.
I hope our viewers have found this video helpful. Let's get to some question answers. Mr. Bansal, tell us, how is Thane West as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like?
Yeah, Surbhi, so thanks for having me. See, Thane West is a fast growing suburb, in fact, in MMR. And if you really look at the connectivity, it is probably as good as Mumbai suburbs like Goregaon, Borivali, Kandivali, or even better. So, and it has been growing in last 6 years by 10 to 50% year on year. Despite there being ups and downs in real estate in last 5 years, Thane West has been continuously growing. It was a 2,500 crore market 6 years back, which has become a 6,000 crore market now. If you look at in terms of price, there is a lot of stability here. The prices have grown. They have not, come down in Thane West because of this market size growing up. The demand is very, very strong. Because of that, the prices have been very, very resilient. And if you look at the rental in Thane, it is now for a 2-bed, it's approximately 30 to 35,000 rupees. For a 1-bed, it is something like 22,000 rupees. So you get a very good yield compared to anywhere in MMR in Thane.
Thank you. Mr. Nair, tell us, what is the USP of Lodha Group and why should home buyers invest in you?
So, thank you, Surbhi. So, whether it is transforming the skyline of Mumbai with one of India's most iconic landmarks, or probably the desirable residences that we have built in London, or the smart city that we have built in MMR in Dombivli called the Palava City. So, Lodha Group has been transforming lives of people and giving global standards to people to live in. So, talking about Lodha Group, we have been the leaders in the real estate space, and in terms of our sales numbers, that's the proof, which I will cover in the later part of the presentation also. So that itself is a proof that people have shown confidence in Lodha Group, and the most important part in real estate is when you get delivery. And Lodha Group in the last few years has been, in fact, in the last 1 year has delivered more than 19,000 homes. So that itself is a strong statement. I don't think many other developers would have been giving delivery on time. We give 4 out of 5 homes before the time we promise. So that again is a big achievement and a big statement that we make, and we give delivery on time. So I think these are the USPs, and especially in times like now with the COVID-19 crisis, one would want to look at going with grade A developers or developers like Lodha who have strong capability to construct on time and give delivery on time. There will be many weak players who may not be able to sustain the construction timelines, or probably not the business loss that has happened in the past couple of months, and they may not be able to survive. But in case of Lodha Group, I think that is a big advantage. When a customer looks at buying his home, he gets his home on time.
Thank you. So, sir, if we talk about property prices in Thane West, how well is Lodha Amara placed in that market?
Okay, so I think Sachin covered as to why Thane West is such a potential market and why people have been coming to Thane West and considering Thane West as a market. I just to give you an example, which he also touched upon, if you have a budget of 1 crore and you are looking at a suburb in western suburbs, you would probably want to live in Borivali and you would get a 1 BHK, that too in a standalone building. But with the same kind of budget in Thane West, in a graded branded developer like, for example, like Amara, you get a very good 2-bed with so many amenities. So that's the kind of advantage in terms of price that you have been, you asked me. That's the kind of price advantage a customer with the same budget can look at a same connectivity kind of location, very well developed with schools, malls, hospitals, everything in place, well established location. He gets with the same budget, a configuration which is double than what he gets in some other equivalent location. That's a big price advantage. It's a big value advantage, I would say, for somebody to consider Thane West as a location.
So, Mr. Bansal, tell us in terms of price movement, how does Thane West as a locality fare?
Yeah, so like I said, it has been very, very stable in terms of pricing. You would have seen, you would have been hearing that there is a price drop and all that. Frankly, there has not been price drop in Thane West as a market, right? Because although it's a very, very vibrant real estate market, there are a lot of players, but frankly, there are very, very few developers, who are giving delivery. A lot of people are selling, but when do you actually sell? When you give delivery to people. Lodha as a group delivers 8 to 10,000 homes on a yearly basis in MMR. In Amara alone, we have delivered 3,000 homes over last 2 years. So that is the kind of trust that we have built, and we have given delivery 6 months, 8 months before time, before we promised in their agreements. So that is the kind of promise. There are a lot of people in the market, but frankly, there are very few developers who are really giving delivery on time and living to the trust of the customer. So that is why the prices have been very, very stable. Customer understands that, and that is why we enjoy 30% market share in Thane as Lodha. Our market share in MMR is 20%, but in Thane we have 30% market share, despite having very, very large number of developers. Thane probably is the most competitive market in terms of number of developers. But we have the maximum share because there are very, very few players who are trustworthy.
So, Mr. Nair, could you also highlight available property options in Lodha Amara?
Yes, so with if you're considering Lodha Amara, we have all the options for various budget of the customers. So you have a 1 BHK, you have a 2-bed, you have 2-bed with a balcony or a deck as we call it. You have garden units and you have 3-bed units. So you have all the options. जिस तरह का customer का taste है, उस तरह का we can provide him the kind of options in Lodha Amara.
I would request our viewers to drop in their queries in the comment section. We will try to address them in the later half of this webinar. Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team Lodha to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers.
Okay, so just a few words about Lodha. I think we've spoken in the introduction question answer session, but Lodha believes in building better lifestyle. That's what I've told you earlier also. We are India's #1 real estate developer, and in the last few years, we have proved it again and again. So as I've touched upon it, once again, just not building iconic structures, we build better lives. And that's what you can see the pictures. We have the Palava Smart City in Dombivli. We have Lodha Amara, which is an iconic structure and place in Thane. You have the Trump Tower in Worli and New Cuff Parade in Vadala. So these are some of the upcoming projects and the ongoing projects which we have delivered right from South Bombay to Mira Road on the western side to in Thane. We have various projects, plus we have projects on the Dombivli, Navi Mumbai, Taloja side also. So as I said, we deliver dreams, and that is the most important part that I would like to emphasize upon, because most developers sell but do not deliver. So we have been selling the highest and delivering the maximum. So 16,000 homes in the last 2 years. That's a big statement. We have a market share of 20%. Out of every 5 homes sold, 1 home is a Lodha home in MMR. Whereas in Thane, what we are talking about, 30% market share. So 1 out of 3 homes sold is a Lodha home. Even in lockdown, we have been continuing our selling spree. The people have shown confidence. 500 plus homes we have sold in the last 2 months. Obviously, we have tried to do a bit in this difficult times for the people. 20,000 meals we've served across multiple locations. We have been the first to waive off our rental for shops in our retail boulevards. Lodha World School, which is there in Thane also, we've waived off we've rolled back the school fee hike which was proposed for this year. Next. So all of you agree, best gift that you can give your family is a home, but it should be a world-class home at the right budget. Health, safety, security, and good amenities are the 3 very important points that everybody looks at. So here we have a very unique scheme for you called Apna Ghar, Apna Desh. So I'll just touch upon this before going into Lodha Amara in detail. So it's a very unique thing which we have come out with. And I think before I say anything, I would like a brand campaign ambassador, Mr. Akshay Kumar, to have a few words with all of you guys. Can we have the video, please?
अरे भाई तू उसके लैंडलॉर्ड से बात तो कर. आई एम श्योर वो समझेगा, और अगर नहीं समझा तो कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे ना हम लोग. अरे हाँ भाई, तू फिक्र मत कर, अपना ध्यान रख. एक दोस्त का फोन था, उसका भाई थोड़ा रेंट को लेकर परेशान. उसकी सिचुएशन सुनकर अपना पुराना समय याद आ गया. साइन कोलीवाड़ा का वो मकान जहाँ सालों तक अपने परिवार के साथ किराए पर रहा, पर उसे कभी घर इसलिए नहीं माना क्योंकि वो सिर्फ एक मकान था. और आज जब इस घर को देखता हूँ तो एक सुकून सा मिलता है, ये सोच के कि ये जो घर है ये अपना घर है. सब कुछ है इस घर में. मेरा प्यार, मेरे परिवार की सुरक्षा, मेरे बच्चों का बचपन और माँ का आशीर्वाद, सब कुछ. यार मैंने ये देखा है कि जिंदगी में बहुत उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं. किस्मत जो है वो ऊपर नीचे होती है. अपने काम की बुलंदियां हो या फिर छोटी बड़ी खुशियां, एक घर ही है जो परिवार के अलावा हर पल साथ निभाता है. चाहे वो 2 बेडरूम हो, 1 बेडरूम हो, 3 बेडरूम हो, कुछ भी हो, वो ही हमेशा साथ निभाता है. आज जब पूरी दुनिया को ये कहा गया है कि सब अपने घरों में रहेंगे, तो इस बात का एहसास और होता है कि मेरे अपने लिए, मेरे अपनों की सुरक्षा के लिए अपना घर कितना जरूरी होता है. आखिर अपना घर अपना ही होता है.
अपना घर होने की खुशी अब साथ लाएगी देश की उन्नति. आओ मिलकर बनाएं अपना घर, अपना देश.
अरे भाई तू उसके
Okay, so the various projects in Lodha, Thane. So we have Amara in Kolshet, Casa Viva in Majivada, Sterling in Kolshet Road, and Rare Gem in Majivada. So moving ahead. So as I said, location Thane, and you have a price range from 56 lakhs to 4.5 crores that we offer you. We have ready to move in as well as under construction. So जिस तरह का आपका requirement है, हम उसको fulfill कर पाएंगे. What is Apna Ghar Apna Desh offer? So one is the lowest interest rate of 5.99% and reduced initial payment plan. So I'll talk about it in detail. Moving ahead. हम इसे अपना घर अपना देश क्यों कह रहे हैं? So every unit that you book, 21,000 rupees is getting transferred to the PM CARES fund. So that is what we are trying to do in terms of helping the COVID warriors like the health staff and the police and armed forces. Next. So moving on to Amara, I think all of you would have seen the wonderful video and the testimonials that people who are already staying in Amara have given. We have given 3,000 plus residents are already staying in this particular project. Just to cover the location, so here we are talking about something that is going to be the prime central Thane. So we have three, if you see in the center, we have three commercial towers which are coming up opposite Amara. One is, I think, there are two, I think, towers and one Supremus tower. So this is the commercial build-up that is happening there. Opposite side, we have Lodha Sterling, which is a London Living inspired premium project. So this entire area is going to transform into a buzzing prime central place in Thane. Moving ahead. So we have thoughtfully designed homes. We have air-conditioned, fully air-conditioned homes, space-sufficient kitchens, and marble flooring, wardrobe niches, utility area. I'll come to it when I come to the unit plan. I'll discuss it in detail. We have a fully functional 25,000 square feet clubhouse. Now, apart from this clubhouse, we have other 6 cluster clubhouses. So अगर आपको अपने बिल्डिंग के नीचे ही clubhouse का यूज करना है, आपको main clubhouse तक नहीं जाना है चल के, you have that facility also. So apart from this, we have various other things which I'll cover in the next slides, which is part of the clubhouse. Next, important part is all this is ready and shot on location. So the pictures that you're seeing on screen are all actual pictures. So outdoor infinity swimming pool. Next, we have an indoor temperature controlled swimming pool for ladies and people who want privacy. Kids play area, again shot on location. Indoor games room, again having carom, chess, table tennis, all kind of indoor facilities. Indoor badminton courts. Now this is one more big facility which in the video a lot of residents have praised. Again shot on location, live and ready. We have a theater cum auditorium. So every week there is screening. People can watch whether it's a cricket match or the latest movie gets screened and people watch it here. You have a library for people who have affinity to reading. Again shot on location. You can see what a kind of library and cafe that we have. So banquet halls, if you have any birthday party, your anniversary, your probably a small function, up to 300 guests can be accommodated. That itself is a big thing within the society. You have a grand sports arena. Now this, whether you are a football freak, you want to play basketball, you want to play other, you want to have a run across. I think this is one of the beautiful things that we have delivered. And again, it's on location, shot on location. We have a Ganesha temple, a Jain temple. Also, we have meditation decks for the people who want to do meditation, yoga. Now, this is one big feature in Amara, a private forest within your residential complex. We have a 2-acre private forest within our residential complex. And I think that's a big one because not many developers would waste 2 acres of space by giving you greenery in terms of a private forest. Now you have tree houses, multiple tree houses within this private forest. You have wooden trails, you have barbecue niches and so on in this private forest. ये हो गए amenities की बात. अब जो लोग रह रहे हैं, so there are already, as I said, 3,000 residents staying in Amara. So how are they living in Amara? So we have the Amara Utsav. It's a budding community in Amara where live bands play, and this is one of the Utsav that I'm sharing with you all guys on screen. We had a barbecue night, which again the residents participated, and it was a wonderful event. We had a Sanskriti Garba night, so all festivals are celebrated, whether it's Garba, whether it is Christmas, as you can see the Christmas party. Next, we had a Master Chef event, which ITC hotel se jo chefs the unhone aake judge kiya tha. Again, a big event. The other important part is you don't need to go outside or far off to buy your essentials. So whether it is your pharmacy, we have already Apollo Pharmacy. Again, this is there live and ready for you guys. Enrich Salon, you have a HDFC ATM, you have a Eden supermarket for all your essentials, Decrypts Cafe, Shiv Sagar restaurant. So everything is just outside your gate. So you don't need to travel anywhere else. Coming to the important part, क्या plans हैं, किस तरह की आपकी units हैं और क्या pricing हैं, उस पे हम आते हैं. So this is a typical floor plan. There are 6 units on one floor, and it is a combination of 1 and 2 bed. So I'll move to the unit plan to give you a better understanding. Next. Okay, so this is how your 1 bed looks like. And अगर आप देखें तो जैसे पहले भी मैंने कहा, it's very thoughtfully designed. And if you see, not many 1 bedrooms across other developers or competition will have such a beautifully shaped L-shaped drawing room. तो आपका L-shaped living room कम dining room आपको one bed में भी मिलता है. दूसरा बड़ा important point है, आप देखेंगे entrance पे एक foyer है. तो बहुत सारे वन बेड में ये फॉयर नहीं होता है, लोग सीधा एंटर होते ही अपना घर शुरू हो जाता है. So this foyer also gives you privacy. It also gives you space to keep your probably your shoe rack or something. And this is one more very thoughtfully designed way in a one bed. Not many people will give you that. आगे अगर चलते हैं, you have a kitchen. Kitchen is a kitchen. If you see, it's a parallel platform. तो आपको working platform, using platform का फायदा होता है. If you see the toilet, the common toilet, you have a utility area. Now, not many one beds across competition will give you a utility area in a one bed. आपको क्या होता है, लोगों को washing machine, सब कुछ अपना fridge, अपने kitchen में ही accommodate करना पड़ता है. But here you have a utility space even in a one bed. Your master bedroom is 10 by 9.10, and you have the master toilet along with that. So this is how the one bed looks. Coming to a two bed, again very thoughtfully designed. So this is how the one bed is. Now two bed mein, again if you see, very thoughtfully designed. You have a L-shaped living come dining area again in the two bed. You have master bedroom which is quite spacious. 11.5 by 10 ka master bedroom hai. You have the other bedroom which is again 10 by 10. Again in this we have a small niche which has been given, which is a 4.5 by 3.6, a puja room. You can use it as a puja room. You can use it as a store room or a small library kind of a room. So that is another extra space that we have provided. We have again very important part of, if you see the master bedroom, you have wardrobe niches. जो आप brown color का आप देख रहे हैं, so आप उसके side में आपके wardrobe जो हैं आपका bedroom का space नहीं खाते हैं. So we have given a niche जहाँ पे आपका wardrobe अंदर चला जाता है और आप लोग को आपके bedroom का space utilize नहीं होता wardrobe लगाने से. So you get your full space of the bedroom. So that's one more thoughtful thing. Coming to the pricing part, so ये हमारे carpet areas हैं. One bed we have an option of 472 carpet, which is agreement value जिसका 69.9 lakhs है. Two bed we have two options. We have a smaller two bed which is a 585 carpet, and we have a large two bed which is 672 carpet. So the pricing of that is 99.9. You have a two bed, as I earlier also spoke about, a two bed balcony, two bed deck. जिसका 735 carpet है, 112 is the agreement value, and we have a three bed which is 955 carpet and 145 lakhs is the agreement value. इसमें और क्या हो सकता है? So और क्या इसमें benefits हैं जो आज हम बात करेंगे? So just moving forward immediately. So as I spoke earlier, we have अपना घर अपना देश offer for all of you guys on this. लोएस्ट इंटरेस्ट रेट 5.99%. अब ये लोएस्ट इंटरेस्ट रेट का क्या फायदा है? अगर आप देखेंगे लॉकडाउन के पहले जो इंटरेस्ट रेट्स हुआ करते थे अराउंड 8.5% हुआ करते थे. आज इंटरेस्ट रेट्स थोड़े कम हुए हैं, बट वी आर ऑफरिंग द लोएस्ट इंटरेस्ट रेट इन द मार्केट टुडे. नो अदर प्लेयर विल ऑफर यू 5.99% इंटरेस्ट, होम लोन इंटरेस्ट फॉर द होम लोन दैट यू टेक. ये हम करके दे रहे हैं. इसका फायदा क्या है? सो अगर आप देखें वन बेड 69.9 lakhs का अगर आपका एग्रीमेंट वैल्यू है, तो पहले प्री लॉकडाउन आपकी ईएमआई होती थी अराउंड 47,000 के आसपास, 46,750. लेकिन आज ये स्कीम के वजह से आपका ईएमआई जो है सिर्फ 35,000 रुपए आ जाएगा, 35,673. तो अगर मैं किसी कस्टमर के एंगल से देखूं जो अभी रेंट पे रह रहा है इन अ थाने वेस्ट काइंड ऑफ अ लोकेशन, आज रेंट जो है 22 से 25,000 का चल रहा है. सो इट इज जस्ट अ स्ट्रेच ऑफ अनदर 10,000 रुपीज एंड ही कैन ओन हिज ओन हाउस. मतलब वो जो रेंटल से लेके अपना खुद का एसेट या अपना खुद का घर ले सकता है. सिमिलरली टू बेड में ये 5.99 इंटरेस्ट के आने की वजह से जो आपको फायदा होगा, पहले होता था 65,000 के आसपास का ईएमआई, जो आज 50,000 से भी नीचे हो चुका है. सो आज अगर कोई 30 से 35,000 रेंट दे रहा है, उसके लिए एक स्ट्रेच है अपना खुद का घर लेने के लिए. इट इज वेरी वेरी पॉसिबल, वेरी मच पॉसिबल टुडे विद दिस काइंड ऑफ अ लोअर ईएमआई स्कीम दैट वी ऑफर. द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, इज द लोअर इनिशियल पेमेंट. अभी आज के दिन में अगर आपके पास पैसा भी है तो आप पूरा पैसा एक समय पे नहीं डालना चाहते, इसीलिए हम कम से कम पैसा ले रहे हैं. पहले हम जो 6 लाख रुपए लेते थे एक वन बेड के लिए, आज हम कह रहे हैं कि आप सिर्फ इनिशियल यू पे जस्ट 2 लाख रुपीज एंड यू कैन बुक योर हाउस, सो दैट यू डोंट पुट a lot of money in the initial phase. You want to remain safe, you want to be a little conservative because of the environment of whatever the lockdown or COVID-19 situation. तो आप सिर्फ 2 लाख दीजिए. पहले 2 बेड के लिए 10 लाख रुपए इमीडिएट देने पड़ते थे, आज आपको सिर्फ 5 लाख रुपए देने पड़ रहे हैं. So this is another very important thing which anybody should consider because initial आपका कम हो जाता है. सबसे important part, आज इतने सारे लोग आए हैं. I am seeing a huge number of participants, lot of interest you have shown. So as a special gesture from the Lodha Group side, we offer you 0 stamp duty to be paid by the customer if he books a house in Lodha Group. Now इसमें सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या है, बिकॉज आज के दिन में 6% की स्टैंप ड्यूटी आपको लगती है जो आपको आपके जेब से भरना पड़ता है. सो अगर 1 करोड़ की आपकी एग्रीमेंट वैल्यू है, मतलब आपको 6 लाख रुपए 2 बेड में आपको अपने जेब से गवर्नमेंट को देना पड़ता है, जो आज हम कह रहे हैं कि हम पे करेंगे. सो लोधा ग्रुप विल पे दैट 6 lakhs ऑन योर बिहाफ. सो that's a huge discount that we offer from our side and a facility so that you don't have to shell out more money. मतलब इसका मतलब है अगर आपको 2 बेड बुक करना है, सिर्फ वो 5 लाख रुपए देने हैं, ऊपर के 6 लाख स्टैम्प ड्यूटी के और अदर चार्जेस के आपको स्टैम्प ड्यूटी के जो है हम कवर कर रहे हैं आपके लिए. सो योर इनिशियल बर्डन बिकम्स so very less. That's the big offer for all of you guys. So since you have come to this webinar, this is a special thing from all of us for you guys. So you have to show your webinar ID to qualify for this offer, and this offer is valid only till 7th June because we want all of you guys to take this offer as soon as possible. So that's it from my side.
Thank you, Mr. Nair, for the presentation. Moving on, let's pick some audience questions. So Mr. Chintan Swami is asking, I want a tour of this property online. Is it possible? How can I be assured that it is genuine also? Mr. Nair, would you like to take this?
Yeah, so so we have been, as I've shown already in my presentation, we have sold 500 plus units, out of which close to 150 plus units have been sold in Amara itself. And we have shown all these clients digitally the entire presentation and vowed them on the product. The other important part, since you use the word genuine, so as I've shown in my presentation, we have a ready product available. All the photos which I have showed in the presentation, all these things are live and actually there on site. So we are not talking about something which is going to come in the next 2 years. We are saying that all these things are ready. 3,000 residents are already using it. You could be the next, and that's the big thing which talks about the genuineness of the project.
Ms. Hanisha is asking, please help, is it safe time to buy now? Also, if I wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions? Mr. Bansal, would you like to answer that?
See, yes, I think that's a very good question that, am I buying at the right time? Because people, have seen property prices correcting in many places. But like I said, even in the worst of times, Thane prices have been holding on. And let me tell you, we are giving, so like which Vivek has just pointed out, all the benefits which we are giving, this is a cost to the company, obviously. And this is a very, very substantial cost. So believe me that this is the best time to buy because developers are giving the best of the possible offers. We have never ever given, none of the developer, I'm sure since 2011 PropTiger is there, you would have never seen and booking happening with just 2 lakh of rupees. So if the customer is taking one step, the developer Lodha is taking 2 steps. We are funding your 4 lakh of stamp duty for 1 BHK case. And you are just giving 2 lakhs. That is a trust we are displaying in you that you will continue with the project. You are giving 2 lakh on your behalf, we are giving 4 lakh. So go for it. I mean, this is the time COVID-19 has shown us what is the importance of a good quality home. And Lodha has the core competence in building good quality home. And, my suggestion is, go for it. This is the time to buy it. This is the right time, to really go for it.
So Mr. Jatin is asking, will COVID-19 impact Thane real estate market? Mr. Nitin, would you like to take that?
Sorry, can you repeat the question, Surbi?
Mr. Jatin is asking, will COVID-19 impact Thane real estate market?
So look, the impact of COVID-19 is very tough to predict, but I'm very sure that we would have seen any drastic changes if it were to happen in any given locality. As mentioned earlier by Sachinji and Vivekji, that Thane West as a micro market is a very attractive one. In terms of the location, if you see, it is located in proximity to Bhiwandi, which is the upcoming warehousing hub. It's in proximity to the Navi Mumbai, to the western suburbs. So as a location, there is always going to be a lot of demand for Thane West. And wheresoever there is a demand, first of all, the chances of the prices dropping are very limited. Also, the offers that the developers are running currently, I don't think, we will see the repeat of these offers. So the market more or less is going to remain the same, or rather it will become stronger.
Okay, so Miss Megha is asking, in the worst case scenario, if a position is delayed, will I be able to approach RERA? Mr. Nair, would you like to answer that?
So talking about that, so MahaRERA has given a grace period of 3 months to all the projects which were supposed to be delivered by March 15th and post that. There is a grace period which MahaRERA has given. But coming to the point, as I mentioned earlier in my presentation also, so Lodha has a track record of delivering before time. In fact, 4 out of 5 houses we have delivered before time. So already we are, and as I said earlier in one of your earlier questions asked by somebody, is that we are a developer which has strong financials and a good track record in the past. So we are not a fly-by-night operator like somebody who has sold but not able to deliver. So our processes are in place, and as soon as the lockdown opens, everything will come on track.
Okay. Mr. Tanmay is asking, how do you update home buyers about construction status? Mr. Bansal, would you like to answer that?
Can you please repeat it?
Yeah. Mr. Tanmay is asking, how do you update home buyers about construction status?
Yeah, so most of our construction demands which we give to the customer is linked on the basis of construction. So when our demand says, okay, up to 15 slab if we build, then we will send you this next demand, right? So we communicate to them, on a regular basis. Every 4-5 slab that we build, our demands are built like that. So we tell them obviously in advance that this is what is happening. Many a times, in fact, buyers comes to us and say, okay, you are building so fast, please slow down, so which is another side of it.
Mr. Tushar is asking, if I invest in this project, what should be my time frame to expect decent capital appreciation? Mr. Nair, would you like to take that?
Sorry, I didn't properly hear what.
Mr. Tushar is asking, if I invest in this project, what should be my time frame to expect decent capital appreciation?
Okay. So I think earlier we have touched upon this point, and in fact even Nitin in the previous question answered put in a very valid point कि जहाँ demand होता है वहाँ पे मतलब appreciation होना ही है. So there is no question of falling, but there is a question of appreciation which you have asked, and what is the time duration. So I would not be very sure in giving a prediction right now, but just to give you a perspective, the location that we are talking about, Lodha Amara, it's a hidden gem and a multi-bagger is what I can say, because the kind of in my presentation I showcased, we are developing it into a prime central Thane. So जो आज से 2 साल पहले माजीवाड़ा था या 3 साल पहले पोखरन रोड था, probably this is going to be the next city center. And why I'm saying that is because we have got 3 commercial towers which have already come up. 2 के OC आ चुके हैं, so Lodha I think and Lodha Supremus, we have already got the OC. Within Lodha, I think I'm happy to share that half the tower has been occupied by Deloitte, which is a corporate giant. And with that, you can imagine the kind of people that will be coming into the kind of gentry that will be coming into work into this location. So once you get those people working in this location, once all these commercial towers are functional, obviously there's going to be a demand for walk to work. People would like to stay in Amara and walk to Supremus, which is just across the road, or walk to I think, which is just across the road. So there is definite capital appreciation, rental appreciation, which is in store for all the people who are booking in Amara. So I think there is a capital appreciation, and I see that happening in the next 6 months to 1 year, definitely.
Okay, Mr. Krishna is asking, what is the possession date of your project? Mr. Sachin, you would like to answer that?
So frankly, we have, projects in Amara, the towers which are there across all timelines. If you are interested in moving in right away, we have that. If you're interested in 5 months down the line, we have that. If you're interested in 1 year down the line, we have that. So that is not a problem. We have project according to the timeline that is desired by the customer. So we have a very vibrant project, and yes, definitely in the ready to move in, if you are looking at, we have limited inventories. So as you go in the possession timelines, the inventories choices are better. But yes, for the people who are looking for ready to move in on an immediate basis, we do have inventory.
So Mr. Saurabh Rai is asking, what is the booking value as of now, and what will be the refund in case of any problem? Mr. Nair, would you like to answer that?
So currently the booking amount is 50,000 rupees. We have a very easy process where we show the product online, and the booking amount can also be done online. And in case of any issue, so normally we have seen that people are so much impressed by the kind of product and the delivery that we offer, that we haven't seen much of refunds happening. But if there is an issue, we can offer a refund facility.
Mr. Ashish is asking, we are a family of 4 and looking to invest in Thane in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that the area is a safe location to invest in. Please help. Mr. Nair, would you like to take that?
Right. So as I already showcased in the presentation itself, Amara is not only a residential project, it's a lifestyle. So it's a lush green oasis. What I can say is it's a lush green oasis of 40 acres, out of which 30 acres are open spaces. We have 1,000+ trees in Amara. So apart from the clubhouses and the other amenities that we offer, I think it is a lifestyle which people aspire to live in. And with the kind of affordable pricing that we have, I think it is worth looking at as an investment, and investment in your own self. Now, coming to a question is that we have various things in terms of as a family of 4. So we have so many amenities which are there for the kids as well as for the adults. So I think in terms of amenities, I've shared a lot in the beginning itself. I will not touch upon that again. But coming to the security point, which obviously was not part of the presentation, but I would like to share, there is a wonderful security system which I would like to share. We have a 4-tier security system in Amara. So number 1 is that every vehicle is checked at the entry point itself. Secondly, people with access cards are only allowed in the building. So if you are a resident, you have an access card, nobody else without an access card can enter your building. Even somebody having access card of other building cannot enter your building. So that is a kind of 2nd-tier security. The 3rd-tier security is we have employed professional security guards with proper background checks across the residential complex. That is number 3. And number 4 is we have CCTV cameras working 24/7, monitoring all the areas. So you can be rest assured about your safety in terms of security and monitoring that is happening inside the complex. Apart from this, within the house, we have a sprinkler and smoke detector, which is part of every unit. Every building has emergency 2 emergency fire exits, in fact, and we conduct regular fire safety drills also within the premises. Also, we have a very special dedicated emergency services team within the complex, 24/7, and we also have an ambulance within the complex. So I think that covers everything which one would like to hope that I am safe and secure inside this residential project.
Okay, so Mr. Umesh is asking, what are the maintenance charges in this project? Mr. Nair, would you like to answer that?
So currently the maintenance is 5 rupees per square feet for your building, and approximately around 4 rupees for the complex clubhouse and the other amenities.
Mr. Ankit is asking, are there any hidden charges if I buy property from PropTiger? How does PropTiger work if there is 0 charges for customers? Mr. Gautam, would you like to answer that?
Sure. So first of all, as I had mentioned in the introduction of the PropTiger, that there are no charges which are there for the client. It's a very valid point as to how come PropTiger sustain. So I will give you the two reasons for it. First of all, PropTiger, as I mentioned earlier, is a part of Elara Technologies, and Elara Technologies is an organization which is backed by investors like SoftBank, Real Estate Australia, News Corp, etc. So from there we get our funding. The second line of business that we have is also housing.com. So housing.com is a platform wherein we generate demand, and in PropTiger, we do the fulfillment of that demand. We ensure that the client get the right product, a reputed developer. And that is why we do not charge anything to the client. We have a marketing arrangement with the developers.
So Mr. Sachin Patil is asking, if new customer wants to see your clubhouse, is it possible? So Mr. Vivek, would you like to answer that?
See, currently under the lockdown situation, I don't think it is possible. But later on, definitely we can look at it.
Okay. Mr. Sidhanshu is asking, how will metro completion will impact the property prices in this project? Mr. Sachin, would you like to answer that?
Can you please repeat?
How will metro completion will impact the property prices in this project? This question is asked by Mr. Sidhanshu.
Metro completion, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So Thane, if you look at, I think Thane has developed as a great suburb because of the Eastern Expressway connectivity. So that was the start, I think, with which Thane started as a market developing, and then also coming of the Godbandar Road. So because of the road connectivity, I think it has developed in the last 5-6 years. Now the next level of connectivity which will be there will be the metro, which will essentially connect Kasar Vadavali to Wadala and to the rest of Bombay. So right now, just to give you a perspective, even without metro, it takes only 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. 115. Okay. 1 hour 15 minutes to go to airport, or to go to BKC it takes 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm talking in traffic. So this is the kind of connectivity we are talking about right now on road, and metro will obviously make it much more attractive and much more faster. And that is, I think, slated to be completed in next couple of years. Already the pillar work has started. Even in Thane, at many places, pillars have started coming up. So definitely, the connectivity will be the thing, and I don't see there will be any difference between in next 3-4 years between living in a Goregaon or a Thane, for that matter. So, and that how costly the Goregaon is and how costly Thane is. So I don't have to really tell you, what is the potential which can hold for Thane in the future.
So one of our viewers is asking, do you have corporate discounts? I work with Deloitte and moving to your IThin campus soon. So Mr. Nair, would you like to answer that?
Okay, so we've offered the best currently in terms of our pricing and offers, but definitely we can look at it once you visit us. We will try and get you the best offer.
Mr. Somik Bose is asking, what is my initial investment for ready to move 2 BHK?
Yeah. So
Mr. Nair, what is my initial investment for ready to move 2 BHK? This question is asked by Mr. Somik Bose.
Yeah, so as I have shown in the presentation itself, your initial investment would be 5 lakhs for a 2 BHK, and the stamp duty part will be done by, so the stamp duty will be paid by Lodha Group.
Okay. Next question is, are these properties offered at Lodha Hamara Vastu compliant? Mr. Bansal, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, so I think Vastu is a very complicated subject, but just to give you a perspective, so we ensure that all the houses that we build, they will have some USP. Okay, so either the view will be the USP, either so Vastu is not only looked at from the exit entry perspective, it is also looked at from a where is your kitchen or where is your bedroom, master bedroom. So if you look at from we ensure that there is some Vastu element in all our houses. As per the requirement of the customer, he can pick and choose, as per his Vastu requirement. So we have all sorts of, houses for all sorts of requirements.
So Ms. Achal is asking, what are the exclusive offers and discounts that I can expect from Lodha Group if I pay the booking amount now? While we have already answered this question, but I would like Mr. Bansal to repeat the offer once again.
Yeah, so like I said, this is the first time in real estate, first time literally, that you are taking one step to buy your dream home, and we are taking, developer, Lodha is taking 2 steps. This has never happened, ever happened, that you are paying less amount and Lodha is paying more amount for you to make your dream home possible. So the stamp duty zero offer is an excellent offer. It is only for exclusively for this webinar customers. So please make the most of it.
Ms. Bhavna is asking, I am looking for a property for rental returns. How Lodha Hamara can fit in my investment plan? Mr. Nair, would you like to answer that?
I couldn't hear the question properly. Can you repeat?
Yes. So Ms. Bhavna is asking, I am looking for a property for rental returns. How Lodha Hamara can fit in my investment plan?
Okay, so I've covered this in my earlier answers also, but I'll just repeat again. So as I said, what we are looking at is this area to be transformed into Prime Central Thane in the next few months. And as I said, already we are coming up with 3 commercial towers. 2 of the commercial towers have already got OC. And as I already said, that one of the corporate giant is coming in and already taken half the tower. Few more people have already decided to join in, and very soon after the lockdown probably these offices will be functional. So जब इतने लोग आते हैं वहां पे काम करने के लिए, so obviously जो डिमांड होता है आपके घर के प्राइजेस का, जो डिमांड होता है रेंटल का, अगर मैं काम कहीं कर रहा हूं तो I would, and especially now with this COVID-19 times, I would not like to travel much. I would like to stay very near to my office. Obviously all this will help because Amara is just on the opposite side of the road. People will like to stay there, people will like to purchase there. So आपको परचेज करने पे आपके डिमांड बढ़ेगा, आपका प्राइसिंग बढ़ेगा. अगर आप, जैसे ये क्वेश्चन है, if somebody is wanting to put it on rental, obviously the rental will the rentals will be in demand, so your rental will also go up. The other important point which I would like to share here is that Lodha has an in-house team also called a Easily team, which helps you in putting your house on rent. तो अगर आपको मतलब help चाहिए तो within Lodha itself we have a team which will help you to put your house on rent. And the trend that we have seen now, the commercial offices have just got the OC and they will start working. But इसके पहले भी लोधा हमारा में एक वीकेंड भी एक घर रहता नहीं है रेंट पे. So as soon as चाबी निकलती है बाहर, उसी वीकेंड पे कोई ना कोई आके उसको रेंट पे ले लेता है. So once the commercial comes, I think there should be a huge demand which will increase.
Thank you, audience, for wonderful questions. Unfortunately, we are running out of time, but don't worry, our team will reach out to you shortly. Now, I would like to request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting with Mr. Nair. Mr. Nair?
Yeah, so thank you very much. I'm seeing a huge number of participants even now. Thank you very much for joining in. I think the number of participants itself shows, and the kind of questions that have been coming on continuously, I think it shows that you guys are really interested in looking at buying your own home. I'm sure all of you have liked the presentation and the project. We and our team at Lodha Group are there to help you. Obviously, the people from PropTiger who have arranged this presentation, I'm thankful to you people also. And I'm sure you guys will touch base with all these clients, all the customers can touch base with your team, and then we can take it forward to a logical conclusion. So thank you very much.
Mr. Bansal, your closing remarks, please.
Yeah, so thank you all. I think it was a very interactive session. A lot of good questions by people. This shows that how serious the buyers are. And just to give you a perspective, weekly we used to get 400 inquiries before lockdown. Now we are getting about 700 inquiries on a weekly basis. So the interest in home buying is actually going up. So, and which shows in this webinar of 100+ customers. So, so I think PropTiger is an excellent, partner in your home buying, and you can definitely, trust PropTiger.
Mr.
Thank
Gautam.
So thank you everybody for attending this webinar. So what we have discussed in this webinar is about the locality, which is Thane West. We have given you the perspective about the locality in terms of the project, the various amenities that are there. We have covered that. And on top of that, Vivek ji and Sachin ji have been kind enough to roll out pretty exciting offers, whether it is the reduced rate of interest or the stamp duty, thing that Lodha will take care of. So I think you need to hurry, because one point which needs to be underlined is that this offer of the stamp duty thing is still 7th of June. So please do hurry. The representatives of PropTiger will get in touch with you very shortly after this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you.